next one, known as looking back as a coward gaze to the moon. This one we're going to bring the arms in front. Notice how they're kind of this chest height, not overstretching. There's softness in the arms. Okay, so palms are towards us. We're grounded. We're still being lifted by that golden thread. And we're gently going to turn again to the left. And as we do so, we turn the palms away. So notice how our lower body is staying forward. And we're turning from the waist. We're back to the centre. Palms have turned inward again as we move. And as we turn to the right, the hands gently push away.